Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Google Pixel 5 fabric case in the color green Chameleon. Shout out to Google for sending me this phone case to review. If you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here. Very nice and simple retail box. The cases are made of over 70% recycled material, so it comes from plastic water bottles, which is really cool. This case does support wireless charging and it is machine washable. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. We have the case itself right here. You can see on the inside we have very soft and velvety microfiber fabric. Oh, it feels so good to the touch. Google Pixel 5 down here, and we have our machine washing icon. Machine wash delicate, do not dry it, let it air dry. So look at how nice the inside of the case looks. That's going to protect our phone from getting any scratches. Let's check it out from this side. You can see the raised buttons right here for our volume plus and minus. Then we have our power button. You can check it out from the top. Here it is from the other side. Here it is for the bottom with our cutouts. And then there it is from the back side. Love the Google logo right there. This case looks so sharp. Now let's go ahead, let's get our Pixel 5 and let's try it out. So we got our Pixel 5 right here in Sorta Sage. Wanted to show you guys a comparison of the backside so you can get a feel for the colors. They look very, very similar. So the microfiber fabric on the backside is definitely really close to that Sorta Sage color, if not identical to it right there, as you can see with the Pixel 5 and the case right next to each other. So let's go ahead. Let's just gently snap everything into place. So there we go. We just snapped it in. Looks great. Check out the cutouts on the back for the fingerprint sensor. Plenty of room. Same with our camera module. Precision cutting, molding, everything right there for the case. Here it is from the bottom again, this time with our stereo speakers and our USB Type-C charging port exposed. Here it is on the other side. You can see power button works just fine. Same with our volume up and down buttons. Plenty of feedback from them, so no issues right there at all. Everything works great. You can see we have this raised edge right here, providing us with that slim fitting protection around the top. So when you set the phone down, you're not resting it on the screen or anything. It's resting on the case itself. So you have a nice lip to protect your device. Same with the back side too. It's not resting on the fingerprint sensor or the camera module. It's just resting on the case itself right there. You can see the cutout at the top. Here it is from the other side. You can look at it from the back again. Looks really nice, really cool. Check it out from that top view again with our screen. No issues, very simple to use, comfortable in the hand. A little bit slippery, but that's just the fabric feel to it. And you can see it doesn't really cause the device to be that much thicker. So we have that fine balance of protection as well as style. And we kind of walk that fine line with any case that we choose. But this is on the slimmer side. Looks great with the fabric. You can see it from all different sides with our Pixel 5. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out with wireless charging. So we got a wireless charger here. Let's go ahead, let's set the phone on. You can see it registers just fine. No issues at all here. So we have the case on and it's wirelessly charging with no issues. Now we can test out the battery share feature. So this also supports wirelessly charging other devices like your Pixel Buds. So we have battery share turned on. We're gonna set our Pixel Buds on the back with the case on, and we do have the charging signal. So if you can see that indicator light down there, it's lit up right where my thumb is pointing. You can see that it is charging just fine, our Pixel Buds, through the case. So in conclusion, this case provides our Pixel 5 with slim fitting protection and a stylish design, all while keeping our battery sharing and wireless charging capabilities intact. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.